Hey everyone, it's Vitasta and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I would really appreciate if you take a moment and check out my videos, and if you like them then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you are an existing subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching my videos. Sending you lots of hugs. This is a makeup video and it's been a really long time since I have filmed a makeup video, so brace yourselves because today I'm gonna do cherry makeup or uljang makeup, which is basically a Korean style cute pretty makeup, and I'm gonna try it and you're gonna try it with me. As you know, it's summertime in India and we love Indian summer so much, don't we? It's like dream come true to just sit in this god-forsaken heat and burn yourselves to death. Okay, I can't pretend anymore. I hate summers. I hate everything about summer. Apart from the heat, summers are also very harsh on your skin. Putting on makeup is basically a nightmare because all your makeup comes melting off. So to prevent that, I always prep my skin before starting my makeup, and I start with a mild cleanser. These days I'm using the Dermavive Hydra cleanser, which is very good for sensitive skin, and I am in love with it. It has oatmeal so it doesn't dry out my already dry skin, and it does not have fragrance or even soap, so it's really gentle on my skin. Plus it's very good for people who have sensitive skin and skin issues, and also it's pH balanced, so it's neither very basic nor very acidic. I really trust it with my allergies, and I have seen that I am not breaking out anymore due to this, which I was doing a lot before because of this season. So I've already washed my face, and next I use a serum, and this time I'm using the It's Skin Vitamin C serum. It's Skin is a Korean brand, and this serum actually makes your skin really dewy and soft for makeup. I also use it as my skincare routine in the night, and I also never forget to moisturize my skin because it's very important. I'm using Nutriderm moisturizing lotion, and it has vitamin E, which I found is much better than vitamin E present in other products. This lotion is very gentle on my skin, and it provides a perfect base for my makeup. By the way, Nutriderm products are Australian made and they are suitable for all skin types, so if you want to check them out, I will link everything in my description. So now that my skin is clean, moisturized and hydrated, my makeup will stay longer and it will keep my skin soft underneath. So let's start with the makeup. Today I'm only gonna use a concealer because I don't really use foundation when I'm at home, but I certainly do need some amount of it because of my dark circles. By the way, I am using Fit-Me from Maybelline in the shade Sand. I really like this concealer because it has great coverage. I'm here with my dirty blenders and just blend it. After this, I'm going to use a setting powder. I don't have a setting powder, so I will use my compact powder from Maybelline SuperFresh, which is super old because I use it a lot. And this is in the shade Perlite. So apparently you do this to prevent creases in your concealer. Honestly, my concealer still creases, so okay, this is all the base that I'm gonna do. Next part is my eyebrows. I just need to fill like little gaps like this because I like to keep my eyebrows natural. For this, I'm gonna use a pencil from Faces Canada in the shade Tan, and just little strokes. Now let's come to the eyes. The eye makeup is a very important part of this, and I don't know how I'm gonna do, but I'm using the K-Beauty Pure Bloom palette. It has all the colors that I ever need in my whole life. They are so pretty and peachy. Now I just need to get it right, so I'm gonna try doing it on one eye, and you guys have to come closer to me. Okay. Hey, so we're gonna start off with a lightest shade. This shade to cover up the whole eye first. One mistake I do is I don't blend properly, so this time I'm gonna blend like my life depends on it. I'm gonna blend so much. I'm gonna be a blender. Is this okay? Should I blend more? Let me tell you a little secret. I actually did this whole video yesterday and the makeup turned out really shit, so I had to re-record it a little bit down in the lower line, whatever, lower lash line. Next, what we do is take a darker shade and put it in the corner of the eye. It's just orange. Okay, let's take this shade. This is much darker. Okay, now we're going to move on to the darkest shade, that is this one. Put it on the lash line. Now take a lighter shimmery shade. Now I'm going to take the same shade and use it on the inner corner of my eye. Next up, I'm using an eye pencil from Nykaa, which is a brown eye pencil in the shade Bronze Beam. I will use it to slightly do a little wing, but not too defined, you know, really tiny wing, and a little on the inner corner of the eye. Okay, so I don't really love it, but I think it's okay. So let's do the second eye and see where this takes us. Okay, I'm done with the second eye, and this is definitely a look. Now what I imagine, tutorials I have been seeing are done on monolid eyes, while as mine is double lid and a very dark circle prone sunken eye. So I think on that ground it's something. Moving on, so the next thing I'm gonna do is my mascara. If you don't have a lash curler, that's okay. I'll be using this Superstar False Lash Mascara from L'Oreal Paris. I'm just gonna use a little bit of mascara towards the sides. Okay, so eyes are done. Next I'm gonna do is contouring, which I normally do not do, but it's kind of important in this makeup. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. Of course, using my dirtiest beauty blender. I'm also going to use a bronzer on top of it. My bronzer is from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Taupe. I'm just gonna like blend it like that. Alright, let's move on to the lips. I am using Lakmé 9 to 5 Powder Matte Lipstick in shade Coral Date. Lipstick is a very complicated part of this makeup because you need a perfect lip color, and I have no idea what that is. I'm going to use a darker shade now. I'm using Maybelline New York Super Shade Matte Ink in the shade Ruler. I'm going to make my hands a little messy because I'm going to use my fingers. To top it off and make it more gradient, I will slightly use a little bit of compact. The last part is the blush. I am using the K-Beauty blush in the shade Coral Charm. It's a matte blush and it's very nicely pigmented and everything. A little bit on the nose. Topping it all with a highlighter. I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Makeup Stick Highlight. I have been using it since forever now because it doesn't finish. I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose, just a little bit. So this one is very optional. I use this Mario Badescu, I don't know how to pronounce it, Mario Badescu facial spray to give your makeup a dewy finish. It is so nice and natural and very much refreshing. That's why I love it so much.
슬쩍슬쩍 바라만 보고 있네. 벌써 몇 번째인지 몰라. 사랑에 빠진 것 같아.
So guys, that was the Korean Woljang Cherry makeup on me. I hope you dig it because I think I kind of like it. It's better than what I did yesterday. I think it looks really refreshing and so on board with summers. I hope you liked it too, and if you want me to try some other makeup looks, let me know in the comments below because I'm gonna try and do more makeup and start learning and growing with you guys because that would be really fun. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like this video and also leave a like, please. Well, anyway, thank you so much once again for watching this video, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.